Appointment today.
Nicole is just pounding us now. The rain coming down heavy at 170 Queen. I could hear it hitting the roof. We've already got significant accumulations, and it's going to continue in fits and starts, very heavy at times, as they say at Environment Canada, through the evening and overnight. In fact, we probably won't get rid of that probability completely until sometime tomorrow. Yeah, but when it does end, you're going to see much colder temperatures and some flurries in the long-range forecast, maybe mixed precipitation, even a risk of some freezing rain for some of us. Some of us may see that mixed precipitation and risk of freezing rain a little earlier. Those away from Lake Ontario, farther east, we'll point that out in just a moment. And for today, well above normal, 15 for a high in Kingston. It's only going to slip to about 12 tonight. 17 in Brockville, Smiths Falls, and Ottawa. Belleville had a 15 too. 16 in Peterborough, 14 in Oshawa, and a 15 in Toronto today. And that's all going to change tomorrow. We've got a steady, I mean, it'll slip to about 12 tonight and then just hold there. That'll be your daytime high tomorrow. All because of Nicole moving up and eventually merging with other depressions. As it does, we start to see along these leading edge of these troughs more low pressure developing, and we start to get into, yeah, so three of them. This wet mess here, that's going to head off to Atlantic Canada. The Maritimes and Atlantic Canada, probably some places are going to see an excess of 80 millimeters of rain as a result of this, and we're already near 40 millimeters, and it's not over with us yet. So you can count on that cool air slipping in thanks to the troughing, and that's going to bring temperatures down. And as you can see, we exchanged the green for a little of that white and blue. So yes, there could be some flurries for some of us. Not all of us. Some of us will remain fairly mild enough that you'll just see showers, but that's what we're hearing hitting the roof here at 170 Queen right now. Very heavy rain. It moves on, diminishes the probability. In the morning, you're still looking at a probability of about 40%. It clears up a little, and then a redevelopment of showers again, and you can see North Country looking at some mixed precipitation and snow. But for us, it will just be rain through the evening and overnight. Not quite as much as we did see through the day today. Come Sunday, though, we see it clear right up. Brockville, Smiths Falls, Ottawa, you may see this continue, and you may see it continue as temperatures drop, so you could get into that mixed precipitation, unlike the Belleville-Kingston area, which you'll see it move on before those temperatures drop. 15 is where we're sitting right now, and yes, rain coming down pretty heavy in the downtown area right now. You can't get much higher than that for humidity, 100%, and the winds turning around a little bit, more of a northeast 6 thanks to the cold front, and yeah, 38 millimeters of rain today. I think we were just over 15 millimeters this afternoon, and as soon as that rain became heavy after 5 p.m., we really started to get the accumulation. We will see more of that tonight. So your temperatures in Belleville still mild tomorrow, 11, and we still got the probability of showers at 70% in the morning. It stops a little midday, and then by the evening we see it ramping back up again. Sunday high 6, mix of sun and cloud. For Monday, a mix of sun and cloud and only up to 5. And look at those minuses you're getting overnight. Sunday night -4 and Monday night a -5. Kingston looking at a mild day tomorrow at 14, but watch out everybody, by the mid-afternoon you're going to start to see those temperatures falling. I think it'll probably be about anywhere from 8 to 10 degrees by middle of the afternoon tomorrow. It's going to start to drop and then cooling right off at night. Sunday in Brockville, 6 degrees, and yes, you're looking at a chance of a mix still as the probability lingers through your area and temperatures drop. Monday, a mix of sun and cloud, a high of 4. In Smiths Falls, 14 tomorrow, more showers, 40% probability, then ramping up to a good 80% late through the evening. Sunday, it's a high 4, 60% chance of mixed precipitation with a risk of freezing rain as it continues into the evening and temperatures get down to 0. Monday, a high 3 and a mix of sun and cloud. And in Kingston, you're looking at a high 12 tomorrow with showers. 40% probability in the morning, up to about 70% by the late afternoon. Sunday, it's a 6 for high, mix of sun and cloud, up to 4 on Monday, and mainly sunny. Your extended looking even cooler. We could get as low as 3 by Thursday as the chance of precipitation moves in Wednesday. Could be mixed flurries, showers, and freezing rain. And again on Friday, some icing as well as the showers and the flurries. Now your weather wallpaper. Here's that beautiful full moon we had. That was the Beaver blood moon. This is before the eclipse, before it turned red. Doug Knutson managed to get this of the Belleville skyline from the Moira River. Very, very beautiful shot. And another little close-up here. Isn't that lovely? Absolutely beautiful. Thanks, Doug, for sending those photos in. If you've got pictures, share them with us at submissions@ckwstv.com.
Oh, almost looks like a postcard.
Yeah, gorgeous.
Picture. Yeah, wonderful pictures, Bill. Not right now, though. Is there a chance all this rain we're getting could freeze? Because there's no easing into these colder temperatures, right?
No, the thing is, first of all, the ground is not frozen.
Okay.
It's been so mild. It's like summertime soil conditions. So it is being soaked up really well, fairly quickly. Now it is coming down very fast, and you're getting some pooling and sort of localized flooding in those low-lying areas. I'm sure the underpass down at Gardner's Road is challenging some people right now. But with that said, the temperatures don't really start to drop until tomorrow night. So by the afternoon, it'll be about mid-afternoon, about 8 Celsius, so still in the plus range.
Okay.
And then overnight, it gets down to the freezing range. But by then, it will have seeped into the water table, I'm sure.
Yes, or dried out somewhere, yeah.
Yeah.
Chance to dry out, which we will certainly need after this night is over. And we'll find out what's in your 10-day outlook a little bit later. Thank you, Bill. We can finally say goodbye to November summer.
Yes, those temperatures are going to drop considerably. And once we get this rain beyond us, heavy rain tonight, we could see in excess of 50 millimeters before it ends. But looks like those temperatures tomorrow still on the mild side to start. By the afternoon, that 12 will turn to an 8 as the west winds turn into northerly winds. And then down to single-digit daytime highs for a few days as it clears up. We've got a mix of sun and cloud over Sunday and Monday. The chance of precipitation returning again Wednesday looks like it could be mixed. We could see some flurries as it's considerably cooler. Thursday, a break from the precipitation, but Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we get back into another disturbance, and this could be mixed precipitation, not just flurries and showers, but there is a risk of some freezing rain.
Yes, I don't think anyone's ready for that kind of forecast, Bill, especially after the balmy conditions we've enjoyed in recent weeks.
What a contrast, yeah.
All right, we'll be right back.
Watching CKWS News at 11.
So the rain's been moving through pretty steadily through the day, well over 30 millimeters last time I checked. We'll have better numbers for you tomorrow. And that's all because of this Colorado low that's been bringing snow to northwestern Ontario, coupling with what was left of Nicole. Lots of rain continuing to push through tonight. Temperatures are going to drop once all this wet weather gets out of the way. Troughing. Much cooler air. We've got high pressure that's moving in, and all of these highs are going to keep dumping the cool air into the region. So yeah, daytime highs in the single digits soon. Look at this. Belleville 11 tomorrow, but then overnight temperatures start to drop. You've got a 70% chance of showers still. It kind of clears up a bit in the morning, but then we see a redevelopment in the afternoon. For Sunday though, it's a mix of sun and cloud, a high 6 up to 5 on Monday with a mix of sun and cloud. Brockville 14's your high tomorrow, then watch for those temperatures to drop. The probability of precipitation hanging on a little bit on Sunday morning, and that could be mixed with some flurries. For Monday, it's a high 4, no precipitation, a mix of sun and cloud. Smiths Falls rising to 14 tomorrow. The chance of showers still. And we could see some mixed precipitation, including some freezing rain on Sunday. Hoping to see that wrap up late in the day, and then some clearing overnight Monday. A mix of sun and cloud and a high of 3. Yeah, it's a cool one. Kingston, a high 12 tomorrow with the chance of showers still with you at 40%. We could see that ramp up to about 60% late afternoon, early evening, and then drop off through the night. Sunday, a mix of sun and cloud, only high of 6. 4 is your high over Monday and Tuesday. The chance of precipitation returning Wednesday, and it looks like it could be mixed as temperatures stay low. Only as high as 3 Thursday, a break from the showers and flurries, but then Friday, a high 4. We could see showers, flurries, and even a risk of freezing rain.